Good morning, everyone. Thank you all for joining today's meeting. For those who don't know me, I'm Saranyan Balasubramanian. I'm the Regional Marketing Manager of Coca-Cola Indianapolis. Today, we are here for the kickoff meeting of Coke Zero, a drinkable commercial. Most of you must be wondering why we are here. As we all know, our company Coca-Cola is a leading producer of beverages across the world. Coke Zero is one of the product of Coca-Cola, which tastes like a regular Coke, but it's sugar-free. And today we are here to discuss about the marketing strategies of Coke Zero. Here is the agenda for today's meeting. First, we will go through the project overview and introduction, and then followed by project details, which includes the scope and objective of the project. We will also discuss the scope which is not included in this project, and then the major deliverables, which are the different marketing strategy plans for the Coke Zero. There are six marketing strategies plan which we are proposing. We will go through one by one, and the high-level project plan includes the important dates such as milestones, deadlines, and deliverables, and the challenges and risk involved in these projects are also discussed. And we will go through the list of key stakeholders and the roles and responsibilities and the communication preferences and strategies for the each stakeholder. Finally, we will have a Q&A session where all the attendees can shoot their question if they have any concern. Next, let's see about the project overview. Coke Zero is a sugar-free Coke, which tastes exactly like a regular Coke. Coke Zero is a new product, not tried and consumed by many customers. Customers have a preconceived notion that Coke Zero tastes like a Diet Coke, but which is not true. Coke Zero actually tastes like a regular Coke, but it has no sugar in it. Actually, it's a sugar-free, calorie-free. So to promote this Coke Zero, Coca-Cola uses television and radio as a medium of promoting, but many people thinks that Coke Zero is the Diet Coke, so they not even try it. So to bring awareness among the people, now Coca-Cola partnered with one of the leading marketing communication company in New York to create a marketing campaign that creates a buzz and captures customers' attention. Uh, Now, the new marketing strategy which Coke Zero is planning to propose is it is not the vision or sound that is getting promoted, it is actually the taste that is getting promoted. The out of box thinking with the Coke Zero is getting promoted in this project. The project methodology we use is Agile Sprint. Since we know the deadlines and deliverables for each phase of the project, we think that Agile Sprint will better suit this project for the methodology. And this project is funded by Coca-Cola. Next, let's see about the project details. The scope of this project is to launch an advertising campaign to promote Coke Zero, and the scope which is not included in this project is that we are not promoting any other products other than Coke Zero, and this marketing campaign is restricted only within US. The objective of this project is to just spread the awareness that Coke Zero is not the diet Coke. It tastes like a regular Coke with no sugar. Here are the major deliverables. There are six marketing strategies we are proposing. The first one is the like building a drinkable billboard at White River State Park, Indianapolis. This billboard is 26,000 pound, weighing 26,000 pounds, with 26 by 36 feet long, and with 4,500 straws dispensing cold Coke Zero to the thousands of fans. This billboard is located right across the basketball stadium, so the fans who comes to the basketball stadium can have a free Coke Zero at the billboard. So the people get to know about the taste of Coke Zero, and it spreads awareness among the people. So the next marketing strategy is the drinkable commercial. This is the first ever drinkable commercial that is being produced in the industry, in the advertising industry. For this drinkable commercial, Coke Zero partnered with Shazam. Shazam is a mobile phone application used for recording or recording the voices and devices. So partnering with Shazam to create a new ways of using the technology. So So when during the TV commercials or radio commercials, when Coke is refreshing, we can open our smartphone Shazam app and just tap it. So by tapping it, we can through the illusion we can see the Coke pouring right into the mobile phone. So once the glass in the mobile phone is filled, so we will get a free mobile coupon, which we can be redeemed at the retail stores for the free Coke Zero. The next deliverables or the next marketing strategies are here. So we are planning to play drinkable videos on HD boards in the NACA men's basketball match stadium. There are thousands of basketball fans who comes to the stadium to see the team. So at that time, when we play the Coke commercial in the screen, so thousands of fans can just open the Shazam app in their phone and just record it and get a free Coke. So by getting a free Coke, they can taste the Coke Zero, and by that they come to know that Coke Zero doesn't taste like a Diet Coke, but actually it tastes like a regular Coke and also has no sugar in it. So by this way, so even the diabetes patients can have the Coke Zero. And the next proposal is by converting the simple kiosk into a drinkable experience malls in Indianapolis. So by this way, the people can just use their phone to like literally drink Coke Zero from the ad. And the next one is to distribute innovative posters that become cups and flyers that can easily convert into digital straws, which the customers can go to the retail stores to get a free diet Coke Zero. Here's the high-level project plan. So we can see some key milestone and target dates. As we all know, today is the kickoff meeting, and the project runs for the entire 1 year. So by next year, this time, all the proposed marketing strategies will be all live. So we will have 4 months for requirement gathering and reviewing, analyzing the requirements, and then we will start our development. The development involves implementing the new way of Sesame technology for the drinkable commercial, and also they're developing, creating a billboard in the Indianapolis. Then after 4 months of development, we will have a quality assurance just to make sure the drinkable commercial is working fine using the Shazam mobile phone application. Here are some of the challenges and risks involved in this project. The budget is very limited. The budget is just to build a billboard and for creating a new way of using the technology using Shazam. So apart from this requirements, we don't have flexibility to use the budget for any other strategies. Also, the time is very limited. As we already discussed, the timeline is just 1 year, so we cannot afford to go beyond the critical part. Whatever the reasons, we should try to complete the project within 1 year. And there are a lot of competitors for this. There are a lot of companies who are trying to promote the sugar-free beverage. So we should be always on top of that. We should understand what the other competitors are trying to promote, and our promotion strategy should be always on the better one, so that we can sell our products more. Here are some key stakeholders involved in this project. I'm glad that all the key stakeholders are attending this meeting now. Thank you, Sean, for sponsoring this project. And myself and Christian Hall will be leading this project. And there are leads from multiple departments or different departments are invited here, so that everyone is aware of the project plans and the requirements. And I'll be sharing the work breakdown structure, project charter, and project plans in a SharePoint among everyone, and which includes the what all the key stakeholders are responsible for. So you can go through that, and if you have any doubt in it, you can just email me. I'll be happy to help you all. And here's the stakeholder communication. So me being a project manager, I'll be driving all the monthly status meetings, and so we will discuss about the responsibilities of all the stakeholders during the monthly status meeting, and all the presentations and minutes of meetings will be available in a SharePoint, which is accessible to all the key stakeholders. And we prefer email as a method of communication for this project. And if there is any change in the project related to the scope, time, cost, or quality, I'll be taking responsibility to notify to the key stakeholders and discuss with the project sponsor to see the solution, to get a solution for it. And so I will also notify Sean Smith about the each deliverables and milestones when it is achieved. So finally, I would like to conclude by saying that so our main objective is to promote Coke Zero as it is delicious, healthy, and it tastes like a regular Coke. So next time if you're thirsty, you can drink and add. Thank you everyone for joining this session, attending this meeting. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.